Hi there people, welcome back. Tonight we are quickly looking at AMC and what we have seen today for AMC, because you know what guys, today was been a fantastic day for AMC. Basically, the share price so far is up by around 5%. This may not sound like a large gain, but we have actually now broken past the $11 range, and we can see that over the past 5 days, especially from the 21st, we are actually seeing consistent green, which is absolutely fantastic. So again, from the 21st or even the 20th, we can see that from those lows up until now, up by about 22.3%, and you know what? This is a fantastic move that we are seeing today for AMC. So guys, we do talk about AMC on this channel pretty much every single day, every single trading day at least, so make sure to give this video a like and of course subscribe to the channel, because we do, like I said, talk about all sorts of stocks, including AMC. Again, I am not a financial advisor and I do actually own shares of AMC, so there you go. I actually did purchase more shares of AMC today and I found it pretty amazing, because I was thinking at a market open, was it actually the perfect time to buy shares or should I avoid it? Because if you guys do remember, if you were watching from this morning, the price rose from the previous session of like $10.10 all the way up to $10.66, and I was questioning at that point, is it the right time to buy? Well, I actually did buy shares around this point here. Unfortunately, the price actually continued to rise all the way through the day, so that is fantastic, and currently I am still up on my position for AMC. However, I don't believe that now is the time to sell, as we do have a lot going on, as I'm sure you already know. So again, today, in my opinion, is a fantastic sign. Now, this article here on Twitter, which is coming from Stick to Stocks, does really sum things up. So again, feel free to Google this one, or at least put it into Twitter. It's called Stick Stocks at Twitter. So again, we can see a few important pieces of information about AMC. It says down here, and this information was published back on the 25th, so literally yesterday, this person apparently claims that there is record short interest, which is good. There is record 100% utilization, which is good as well. Record shares on loan, again another good thing. Days to cover is rising, fantastic. Cost to borrow, if even available, is very high. 9 billion plus shares traded since the 1st of 26. So again, we can see not bad at all. A lot of information there. So from January the 26th, we are seeing a lot of interest, honestly. And again, apes won't sell. This is very true, and this has been proven to be true recently. Institutional buyers, which apparently implies a rocket ship going forwards. And this person says that they don't need to talk you into buying or holding AMC. Now again, my opinion on this one is that AMC definitely could rocket. Again, it's not my intention to persuade you to buy or sell. It's completely up to you, and you do need to do your own research. But honestly, I think this information does point to good things coming AMC's way. I personally do believe. If we do cross over quickly to the interactive stock charts, we can see how green that candle is and how steep it actually is. So again, on open we did rocket, as I have mentioned. This is shown with a big gap that we are seeing from the Friday and into today, which is good as well. And the fact that we haven't fallen by too much so far is again a very good sign. It does look to be certain so far that we are going to close in the $11.30 range, or at least in the $11 range, which really is a big deal for the stock. So volume that we are seeing today is apparently at 50.25 million. Again, information is coming from Yahoo Finance, so there is my source. We can see down here that the previous day's volume was pretty low in comparison, at only 27 million and 49 million the day before that. So why is today a significant day? Let's think about this one seriously, guys. AMC has been rising now for about a week. This is a big deal. Now, people are saying that this one's going to the moon pretty soon. Honestly, guys, I think it is possible that AMC is going to take off. And again, if I didn't think it was going to do well, obviously I wouldn't have bought shares. That is just my personal position. So here's my thoughts going forwards, because some people think it's going to rocket as soon as this week. Honestly, I think that we are going to see some good action this week, or at least I do hope that would be the case. I think that we definitely can make it to $15 by the end of the week, maybe even as high as 20, possibly, going into this week end and even into next week. Ultimately though, I don't think that is a big deal, because again, if we are going to see big growth, I think it is going to be over the next 2 to 4 weeks in my opinion, maybe even longer. But I think if we can make it to $15, $20 in the next week or so, one thing that I can almost guarantee is that we will have a lot of fear of missing out jumping onto the stock, so people will probably be buying at higher prices, and again, the volume is what we initially need to trigger that short squeeze, because right now there isn't a lot of media attention around AMC. And especially when it comes to, mainstream media and all that sort of sources basically. There isn't a lot of mainstream information about this, but you know what, as soon as this one does start to take off, I think a lot of big institutions who do write the news will start covering this one hopefully, and again, if that is the case, a lot more people will be finding out about what is going on with AMC. So right now I'm very bullish on this stock. I think it has a lot of potential going forwards. We already know it is quite a risky stock if you are waiting for that squeeze, and we just don't know how high it is going to squeeze, but today we are seeing very, very good things, and I'm happy to see that. So thank you for watching this short video. I'll see you all again very, very soon. Goodbye.